Mark and Jane will accompany you in Monkey Jr.
Lesson 4.
Insects and small animals.
bee,
Bee. Bee.
Bees produce honey. Fly.
Fly. Don't let the fly land on your food. Snail.
snail, snail,
Snails eat a variety of foods, and vegetables are their favorites. Ant.
ant, ant,
Have you ever watched a group of ants at work? They're fascinating. Bee.
bee,
Fly.
Fly.
snail,
Snail.
ant,
Ant. Up.
We. You. Up.
We. You. And. Big.
Get.
Wild animals.
Lion.
Lion. Lion.
A male lion has a mane, whereas a female one doesn't.
bear,
Bear. Bear.
In cold places, bears sleep through the winter. Monkey.
monkey, monkey,
Monkeys like to eat bananas.
Elephant.
elephant, elephant,
Elephants like to eat fruits and vegetables. Lion.
Lion. Bear.
bear, monkey,
Monkey.
elephant,
Elephant.
In
in, in,
Nap. Nap.
in,
Net. Net.
in,
Nose. Nose.
Words start with N.
Nap.
net,
Nut.
nail,
Nose.
No.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome! Elephant. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Snail. Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
bear,
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job!
Ant.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job! Monkey.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job!
Lion.
Can you point to?
Up.
That is right. Which one is get?
Awesome!
Hooray! You have finished a lesson.
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.